Well, hi everyone, Shaun Humphries here. Welcome to All Things Retirement. Well, in this installment, my wife Tanya is going to share some very tasty and healthy summer refreshment drinks with you. It's a great video, and we talk mostly about financial stuff related to wealth planning and retirement income planning, but we do touch upon both lifestyle and health issues as well. So you'll enjoy this video. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, make sure you do that so you don't miss future content that we're uploading on a regular basis. And if you want to obtain some free resources and a complimentary retirement income plan, there are links in the show notes that'll take you to our webpage where you can get more information on those topics. Anyway, wishing you all the best in your retirement journey.
Welcome to All Things Retirement and a quick little snippet about some summer drinks that you might enjoy. These are two that Shaun and I are enjoying this summer that are sugar-free and really delicious. I hope you'll enjoy them too. They're very simple to make. We make them just with ingredients from our backyard. If you don't grow hibiscus plants, you can get whole hibiscus in little containers like this at most stores, or you can get it ground up like this. And all you have to do is put about half a cup into a jar and fill the jar with hot water. Once you've let it sit and cool in your fridge for maybe 24 hours, then you can strain it just through a small strainer back into your jar so that it's ready to use. And whenever you'd like a lovely drink, you can pour half a glass of your hibiscus that you've steeped and cooled, and then fill the other half of the glass with flat water, or we like sparkling water, to fill the glass up. It becomes a beautiful, beautiful color. I hope the camera can pick that up. Then, when we've had guests over this summer, I've had fun growing edible flowers, and so I just put a couple edible flowers on top before I serve it. And so that is a hibiscus sparkling water drink that I think you'll really love. The second drink that I thought you might enjoy is basil tea. And there are so many kinds of basil. The lemon basil probably is my favorite one of all the ones that I've grown. But you put a handful or two of leaves in the bottom of your jar. Then you get your hot water and you fill the jar up with hot water and you let this seep for about 24 hours. And the instant you pour the hot water in, you can just smell the beautiful aroma of the basil. So once that has steeped for 24 hours, you can do the very same thing as we did with the hibiscus. You can mix it with some sparkling or flat water, whichever you prefer, and pour it into a glass. Another thing I like to do with the hibiscus is I'll put in about a teaspoon up to a tablespoon of some lemon juice, especially if it's lemon basil. So basil is amazing. It has a lot of benefits for digestion and for blood pressure and skin. But you do have to be careful if you're pregnant or nursing or on medication that you use these things very gingerly, or ask your practitioner whether they will affect whatever stage you're at. Other than that, I don't think there's any limit to how much you can drink in a day of these delicious summer drinks.
Well, those are two great refreshment drink options that Tanya covered. I would encourage you to try them. They're absolutely delicious. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, please subscribe if you don't want to miss future content, and go to the show notes to find out how you can get retirement income planning resources complimentary. You take care. All the best in your retirement income planning and overall wealth planning.